We are Kent and Jenna. We actually just recently moved into this home. And when we purchased the home, the windows were original to the house. You know, this is a 25-year-old house. And we knew right away that not only aesthetically, you know, they had the grids in the windows, which is not a preference. I don't really like grids in windows.
Everything you could imagine being bad and wrong about windows was kind of the case. So it wasn't just, appearance, although they were ugly as sin. All of it needed replaced.
Yeah.
Well, as far as the consultation process, I would just say it was really seamless. There was no pressure. I mean, we kind of came into the meeting thinking we're not even ready to buy.
Yeah.
We're not even ready to do anything because we just moved in the house. There's a lot of funds going here, there, and everywhere. I know what you really appreciated is being able to, on the laptop or the iPad, he took some photos and we were able to reimagine and actually see what the new windows could be and some of the security features that were important to us. And just based on all that, you know, we just decided to go for it. You know, we had, at our old house, purchased a whole house worth of windows from Joyce. So we already knew that the product was good. We just weren't sure what timing was going to look like. But when we just saw again, and we're reminded why we bought the first time, it just made sense to buy again.
Well, our sales rep sat down and he literally went line by line as to what you know, what things would cost. He broke down what monthly payments could be. Life can get really expensive. And so I really appreciated they had a lot of options for money saving, you know, plans. And I felt super comfortable with the plan that was presented to us, and that was really comforting for me because I know we could do that.
Without having such a regimented schedule and flexibility to kind of do it at our pace over time, it just took that pain away from kind of the short term. We were just doing all the other stuff, plus Christmas was coming up.
There was great follow-up throughout the whole process as well. So,
well, I think being a local family-owned company helps with that. Larger corporate companies, I don't know, you get that same personal touch.
Yeah.
Well, I think the appearance is the biggest, like right away difference. I mean, now you walk into this room and it's just like, wow, what a beautiful view into the backyard.
Yeah. The windows themselves are pretty, you know, easy to maintain. So I thought that was another wonderful thing.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot more windows to do, so we're just getting started. But you know, we're already starting to see, you know, some of our energy bills go down. I mean, at our old house, they were fully Joyce replaced through the whole entire house, and that almost instantly had hundreds of dollars a month in electric bills go down. So we knew that was going to happen again, and we look forward to seeing all the benefits of that.
I think the other thing too, sales reps matter. And we had one sales rep from another company. This sales rep just walked right through our garage door. He didn't even go to the front door to ring on the doorbell. I mean, to me, I was like, who is this person? He knocked on the door. He's like, oh, I'm here. And I'm like, who are you? To me, that was not a professional way to go about a consultation, I mean, from my perspective.
What we found about Joyce all over again, just through testing the market, is the best combination of product quality and price. There's some other windows that, you know, seemed really nice, but they were dramatically more expensive. We just feel like we get the best total value with Joyce.